So these are the answers for the CA fact file for A2 chemistry for 5.8, which is amides. And this is going to be the shortest one ever because it's just one page. So which one of the following statements about propanamide is not correct? So we've got the statements here. It produces an M+1 peak at 73. And immediately I can tell you that that is the wrong one, because when you work out the formula mass of this baby C3H7NO, it comes in at 63. So its M+1 peak would be 64. So that one is incorrect. So it has to be A. The others are of course correct. So just for completion, it can be dehydrated to form propane nitrile. It does have a molecular formula C3H7NO, and it is a weaker base than ammonia. Question 2. Ethanoic acid can be converted to ethanamide via the thermal decomposition of the ammonium salt. Write the equation for the reaction of ethanoic acid with ammonia. So ethanoic acid, CH3COOH, ammonia, NH3, and then that gives us the ammonium salt, so CH3COONH4. Then the equation for the thermal decomposition of the ammonium ethanoate, which has just been produced in the last equation, so CH3COONH4, and that will thermally decompose to give you CH3CONH2 and water H2O. Part 3. Ethanamide is hydrolyzed by either hydrochloric acid or sodium hydroxide solution to form different organic products. State the formula of the organic product in each case. So it's state the formula here, not the name. So with hydrochloric acid, you're going to get ethanoic acid, CH3COOH, and with sodium hydroxide, it's going to be sodium ethanoate, which is CH3COONA. Next, it tells you it can be converted, ethanamide can be converted to an amine in the following sequence. And we've got two steps here, first going to a nitrile and then to an amine. So give the formula of the reagents in A and B. So in A, it's phosphorus pentoxide, so P4O10, and in B it's lithial, so LiAlH4. Again, it says give the formula, so be careful that you do that and don't write the names. Then write the equation for the reaction of an unknown amine, RNH2, with ethanoyl chloride. So we've got RNH2, ethanoyl chloride is CH3COCl, and then we're getting this, so CH3CONHR, where the chlorine's being substituted for the unknown amine, and we get HCl as the other product. Okay. And finally, describe how you would identify the unknown amine using the pure and substituted amide, and include relevant practical steps. So 4 marks for this, you're going to make 4 points. The first one is you're going to say you need to determine the melting point, and you could describe the apparatus there, but from the mark scheme it was enough just to say to determine it. You can heat slowly, then record the temperature where it starts and stops melting, and then compare that to tables, and if the melting point is the same, you know it's the same compound. Okay, so that was short and sweet, and that is amides.